بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. اليوم ان شاء الله سنقدم بعض الميني بروجي تاع الطلبه اوتوماتيك بريمير اني ماستر. So we start with the title of this mini project, brightness control based on a photocell-LED through ARDUINO-Uno. So this mini project is presented by SEBAA Abdenacer, and then we have the students which develop these mini projects are respectively SEBAA Abdenacer and MOHAMMEDI Ouail. So I'm trying to, Mr. SEBAA trying to explain the fundamental, the essential of these mini projects. So I give you the word, and then you have to explain briefly the main important steps of your work. So let's start.
Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. Hi everyone. I will start inshallah with this figure that show us all project or my project. It's depend about controlling the brightness control based on the photocell-LED through ARDUINO-Uno. This is the full project, and we have now I have now the schematic of
Scheme.
my project.
Scheme.
We have the ARDUINO-Uno, and we have also two resistor, and we have photocell sensor and light emitting diode.
Okay.
And this is the also is a more explication about the schema.
Okay. So we have the real figure of the Arduino-Uno. Okay.
And this is all the materials that I used in my project. We have two resistor, 10 kilo ohm, and a board, and LED 3 volt wires, and photocell sensor.
So this is the main important component of your work.
Yes.
Okay.
And this is the ARDUINO-Uno.
Okay. So let's start to the program.
Yes.
Arduino.
Okay.
So
This is the program that I used in my project. We have the pin 8. It's mean the input of
it's the output of Arduino.
yes, the output of Arduino.
Okay.
And
We have photocell
photocell
A0.
sensor.
Okay.
We put it in the
A0,
A0,
which
yes.
will be the input of Arduino-Uno. Okay.
yes.
And then we have the different parts of our program: void setup and void loop, which we have the looping, as we said in French, c'est un bouclage, c'est une boucle à l'infini. And then we can control the brightness of our system by the both instructions which are in the bottom side of this program. And finally we have delay. What we mean by the delay here, we can control.
Yes, you can control the time of reading between a moment and other moments. Yeah.
Okay, perfect. So let's start with description here in real-time implementation. So
Yes. I have now a photocell sensor
okay,
that give us
it's very small components,
yes.
as we can see here. Thank you. Okay, and then
and we have a resistor
okay.
and light emitting diode.
So the blue wire is the input of Arduino.
Yes, but
Okay.
it's the output of this device.
Okay. Vice versa. Okay, so let's start with some tests in order to explain more deeply the principal function. So we bring our hand closer to the sensor. We can show that the LED is turned on, and then if we make the inverse, exactly, we create a shadow, as we said in French, un ombre ou la ville. Okay, so this shadow can inject the signals from these components by the means of this resistance, of course by this wire, this blue wire, in the A0 here, and then we inject, we compilate and we upload the program. We have the output from this pin, it's number 8. So this pin can control the orange wire can control the brightness of this LED by this principal function. So let's start with the second test. So I bring my hand closer to this to the sensor. I create a shadow. So we have the turn on of this LED, and if I make the inverse action, we have a turn off of the of this LED. We can you give us another explication for for different values of these components here and here, the values of the current, of the voltage, the level voltage, for example, 5 volt, and we have the current less than 30 milliampere, for example.
Yes.
So all these details are very necessary to understand this project. This mini project is very important, and I want to say thank you for Mr. Student SEBAA Abdenacer and his colleague, which called MOHAMMEDI Ouail, for this excellent project. It's very benefit, very important mini project for our training, dans notre formation, which called professional automatic. You can give your last word for the listener اللي اليوم يستمعوا فينا، باش ما تعطيهم نصائح about the card Arduino-Uno, about this mini project.
Yeah.
You can give your recommendation.
I can to say that this card is good for a student at the university as a beginner. We can start with these cards for programming, and we can also to develop ourselves in the future. I want to thank my professor Amran for giving me lots of information and help me for in this project. And good luck for everyone.
Thank you so much. Thank you.